What could be India and America's relationship in 2025 and here on, specifically with a change of guard expected soon? External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar's US visit begins today. And ahead of that visit, images are surfacing. Look at that. Indian Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri, Indian Ambassador to America Vijay Mohan Quatra, top Biden administration diplomats as well, will be holding talks. This is in the United States of America itself. I want to immediately go across to India Today's managing editor, Gaurav Sawant, for the latest on this. Gaurav, this is after Donald Trump's election victory, but before the change in the government. So how should one look at this juncture, what this meeting really says? Go ahead, Gaurav.
Indian diplomacy wants to hit the ground running the moment there is a new administration in place in the United States of America. Usually what happens is once when the old administration leaves and by the time a new administration settles down, of the 4-year period of a new presidency, 1 year is already lost. But India's learnt its lessons very well, and post 2014, and especially when Donald Trump was elected for the first time, the effort was to ensure you're always in touch with the new administration. And right now, the foreign secretary, the foreign minister, India's ambassador to the United States, all, they are experts in dealing with the United States of America. While India enjoys bipartisan relationship, whether it's with the Democrats or the Republicans, you always want to be on the first name basis and very close to the new administration that's coming in. So you meet the old administration, you also meet the new administration, and you chalk out your priorities informally before they officially take over after the inauguration on the 20th of January 2025. Before that, this interaction will take place. Their priorities will already be chalked out. They will be on the same page, and no time is lost during the transition from one administration to the other. So it's a very, very clever strategy. It's held India in good stead in the past, and it's been done again to ensure that this relationship, which Prime Minister Narendra Modi has described as one of the most defining partnerships, two of the most powerful and the oldest democracies in the world, they operate together, it benefits each other, and it has wider ramifications for the rest of the world too, Pooja.
Very interesting and very important visit therefore coming in. Remember that India-America relationship has improved over the past few years, but also remains to be seen specifically how geopolitics and clearly the situation of India as a nation with its independent policy